Okay, hello and welcome. Chris here with a demo of Ultimate AI, also known as Every AI, which is a 50-in-1 software tool which connects to ChatGPT, DALL-E, and various other AI tools to basically generate income-producing assets simply by copying and pasting. So all you need to do is to go to a website, your own website or an affiliate, a website that you want to promote, copy a load of text from the site and paste it into the tool, and it's going to generate a whole range of different assets, from websites to software tools, from Notion templates to graphics, from ecom products to banners. It's just absolutely ridiculous some of the stuff that this tool can do. And so, increasingly my time is split between my core business and social commitments and AI. And so I didn't really intend to do this video. I didn't really have time to do the video, but I found a few minutes today. And so I did want to actually get something done to give you a quick walkthrough alongside all of the marketing that you're going to be seeing on this as well. So you can see I'm on the owner page, and if I just click on this first one, make prompt software. Now this is just one of 50 of our different AIs, but what this one allows you to do is to create software that involves prompts. Okay, and this is actually the backbone to my 2-click AI, which was a Warrior Plus and Warrior Plus #1 a deal of the day. And people don't actually know that the entire software tools for that particular offer, the front end, was built with ChatGPT. This single prompt will allow you to build your own software that works in the exact same way simply by copying and pasting text. The AI is going to suggest 3 ideas for software, and then it's going to spit out some code, and then you copy that code and you paste it into my HTML template, which you can do with just like Notepad. And it's going to build you a unique software tool that you can then either sell yourself, just like I did with that 2-click AI offer, or you can use it as a bonus. You can do what you want with it. It's incredibly powerful. It's just one of 50 AIs. Now, another big breakthrough that I've had in the last few weeks is I've found a website that allows you to generate images using code. Okay, and this is going to make an appearance in a few different places here, because it's going to allow us to create instant ecom products. It's going to allow us to create instant e-cover images, and also create graphics and create banners and just create a whole range of different things. So again, all we do is we just click here, paste our text in. It's going to suggest some slogans. We choose the one that we want, and it's going to generate not only a brand new ecom product, but it's actually going to do it as an Instagram post. And so you can literally copy that image and upload it straight to Instagram as a promotion, and see which one actually, maybe do 3 or 4 of them, see which one actually performs well. And that's the one that you can actually create. The tool also lets you create and sell AI photos. Now, this is something that may seem kind of obvious. Of course, you can use AI to create photos. The difference here is that I've found a site that allows us to distribute AI photos to various stock sites. In case you didn't know this, a lot of these big stock sites like Getty and iStock Photo and Shutterstock actually accept AI photos. The thing about it, though, is that they will only accept ones that they think they can sell and that are high quality. So what I've done here is I've preloaded this particular prompt, this AI, with specific seed phrases that relate to in-demand stock photos and graphics that these guys are going to want to sell. And so here what you can do, and of course I'll give you the website to actually distribute these secret distribution site that will distribute all of your AI generated photos to all of the stock sites, and all you need to do is to get paid. And so basically paste some text in, run this prompt, and then use my secret website to go ahead and distribute that to all the stock sites. And these stock sites can pay as much as $200 per photo, so it's pretty cool stuff. Notion templates is another one. So a few weeks back I came across this idea of Notion templates, and the first thing I did was went and looked and saw what they were all about. Turns out that the majority of them are sold on a website called Gumroad. And so, of course, I searched Gumroad for all of the Notion templates, found the ones that are generating at least 5 figures, and then basically put those into a spreadsheet, and then turned those templates, those ideas, those things that those guys are doing, and put it into a prompt whereby you can just paste some text in. It's going to ask the AI, here's some successful Notion templates that have made loads of money. How can we do the same type of templates in this niche? And it's going to generate a load of ideas. So on the promote page, we can create banner images. Again, you just put some text in, and it's then going to generate a pre-made banner with headline, call to action, three different images. A background image is basically going to be a good to go image that you can add to your website or run on any network to promote either your own offers or any affiliate offers or CPA or whatever it is that you're doing. And this is again done with this loophole I mentioned before. We can create push notifications. Okay, and this is really, really cool. I've taken all of my top converting push notifications, put them in as templates, and it's going to generate those different notifications for you to run with. We can create flip books as well, which again is a case of just pasting some text in and letting the AI do its thing. And it's going to give you three different ideas. You choose the one you want to run with, and you are good to go. We can create sales letters, entire sales letters, and we can also create email subject headers. And this is actually one of my favorite because it's going to create not just really high converting, well written emails, it's also going to create ones that include glyphs, which are basically emojis, and also ASCII text, which is when the text looks bold and italicized. And these are based on my highest converting email swipes. All you need to do is to paste in text from any website, any niche, and it's going to generate custom email swipes with both based on my own high converting templates. So you know the copy is going to be super duper slick and get those opens and clicks, and it's going to have emojis and ASCII text for that maximum opens and clicks that you're not going to get anywhere else. Next, we have the Genius page. Guys, this is where it gets absolutely ridiculous because using this tool, we can create Flappy Bird style games that will run from your browser. And the cool thing about this is I've found a way to basically generate graphics, which are sprites as they're called in video game terms, on the fly so that you can basically generate custom games for any particular niche. And while this may sound a little bit gimmicky, it is a lot of fun to do. And you can also use these games to gamify your website. For example, if people score more than 5, for example, then they can win a coupon. It's just going to boost your engagement and get people excited about your brand and about what you're doing. Next, we have this next one, which is pretty crazy, which is creating Marvel style comic books. And guys, the idea behind this is it's going to generate a narrative firstly. So it's going to look at your website. It's going to decide on which of 3 classic Marvel kind of hero narratives best fit your brand. It's going to customize that narrative. It could be a Bruce Wayne or a Spider-Man narrative. It's going to customize it to your particular niche. And it's then going to turn that narrative into a storyboard with 10 different slides. It's going to give you the dialogue for those slides, and it's going to give you image prompts which you can paste into either Midjourney or DALL-E or another AI tool. And each of those prompts is going to create a flawless 2010s style comic book page, which you can then customize, add your own dialogue, which of course the AI has already created for you, and basically create your own custom comic book which can be used to promote your website in a very engaging and interesting way. And so I've not really seen anyone do this, but again, this is a very fun one that I've been using myself. You can also create brand names and logos. Okay, so this is really, really powerful. If you run an agency, you can literally create a logo right from your browser in just a few seconds. It's completely free. It works unlimited number of times. You can create children's books. There's a lot of demand for children's books. A lot of people want to do it. Of course, people with kids want to do it for their own kids. But there's also a lot of money to be made in it. And then lastly on this page, we can also create AI music as well. There's actually 2 loopholes. There'll be one that I'll be adding to the members area tomorrow on Saturday the 29th. But then there's also this one, which uses XML music. You don't need to know what that is. Don't worry. It's basically a music code that you can go and get for any song and then remix those melodies to create your own original composition. And then lastly, I forgot here, if I hadn't scrolled down, you can also create coupon spinning wheels. Have you ever seen those spinning wheels that are kind of like wheels of fortune, but embedded onto websites for lead gen, for coupons? You can create one of those custom to your particular niche as well. We also have the promote page, which allows you to create all of these different things. We have the Genius page, which lets you do all this stuff. The profit page, the content page, the traffic page, the design page, and the affiliate page. And so what's crazy about this is there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different pages preloaded with these 50 different AIs, all of which work in the same way. You paste text in, you click a button, and the AI plus a custom prompt will connect to ChatGPT and give you your instant internet asset. But what's crazy about this is I was having a conversation with one of my JV partners a few moments ago, and I actually forgot that there's 8 pages. I told him there were 7 pages, and we were discussing how ridiculous that actually was. There's not 7, there's actually 8, okay? So this is the most comprehensive AI suite on the planet. As I've mentioned, and as you'll see on the sales page, I'm using this to generate upwards of $5,000 per day right now, which is just one of the prompts, which is the prompt on the owner's page. I'm using some of these other AIs to generate between $100 and $500 per day. There's nothing like this on the planet. This may be my last Warrior launch in a while, simply because I'm working on AI. I'm actually making money with all this stuff, and so it's kind of making less and less sense for me to do these launches. But anyway, I just wanted you to get this demo video to see exactly how it all works. The Ultimate AI, which includes, of course, every AI software, plus all of the training, the templates, and everything else, is going live on Warrior Plus, Saturday, 29th of April. There's just a ridiculous amount of stuff on the front end. There are some brand new upsells, which are all focused on AI, ChatGPT, and some new loopholes that I've discovered. Really, really excited for this one. I do hope you can check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the members area. Cheers.
Here are my exclusive high-ticket bonuses that you will get if you buy Ultimate AI from my link. There are 7 premium bonuses which you will not find anywhere else. These are all paid bonuses which you are getting completely for free. It will be delivered to you instantly if you buy this product from my link. Check the description box for the buy link. Thanks for watching my review.